What's up, peeps, and welcome back to Garten of Banban. So, today, I just wanted to kind of look around and see what kind of secrets we had. So, I know there was that purple room that we never, got to, and then we saw a few, like, secret buttons in certain areas, so I wanted to try and look around and see what we could find. Okay. Maybe I don't need to load the game. Here, I'll be right back. Alrighty, so we are back, and I think I actually just noticed what that like starting scene is with the clock. I think that means that it's trying to say that we are a parent looking for our child. I think, but yeah, so that would make some more sense. Oh, okay, so those batteries don't even appear until after we get the drone. Yeah, I have no idea what I might need to do to get this purple key card, but we are going to look around until I find it. I also don't know if somehow we can get back in there. I don't know though. Yeah. So Claire, the monster, just gonna run over here and get the batteries, and then we'll get our Mr. Drone ready. So there's no like drone buttons in here, so I guess it can't be that. Let's go ahead and just send them on over. That. I almost thought I just saw something in this trash can right here, but it doesn't look like it. Okay, let me get this next one. And I don't know, this might be a little bit of a shorter video. Oh, okay. I forgot the bird waits there. I forgot. Okay. Yeah, we get it. We turn the lights on. Banban says sharing is caring. The naughty corner. So, wait, can we? Well, because last episode he broke the glass. But, which is weird because I think it literally, oh wait, that's not even on yet, so it doesn't even matter. Okay, never mind. There's no, like, button or key card over here. You can't interact with that. Got the projector. Yeah, so we're trying to get in here. I have no idea what's in there, but, let's grab all these eggs. So we got one. Come on. We got one right there. I think we have one right here. Yep. Come on. Come on. There we go. It's got like a certain hitbox play. Oh, wait. Okay, so maybe this wasn't a secret button. I think all it did was activate this button that I need to hit with the drone. Yep. Okay. So, let's go ahead and send Mr. Drone on that button. And get another egg. We have an egg over there. Oh, it went down the slide. I didn't even notice that. That's cool. But we got an egg right over here. Come on, I grabbed that. There we go. And I think we have one more. Where was it? Right here. Okay. Let's go ahead and feed the Opila bird all of these eggs. I wonder if us giving her all these eggs is what kind of like brings her to life a little bit, if you know what I mean. Yep, there's my prize. Just slid right out of her mouth. So now we can come over here and get this button clicked because we are activating that. So it can. Oh, I get it. I think you need to like tell it to go here, but you can't click the yellow window. Right? So this is gonna break it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Go ahead, Mr. Drone. excuse me, my throat just won't clear. So we got that. Come over here and get the hammer and the note. Oh wait, that said distraction at 1. I guess we never really figured out what that meant. I looked around in here a lot trying to find that last egg, so I really don't think that whatever we need is in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and here. Come on. There you go. I don't know, is there like anything hidden up here? Maybe? I don't know, I'm not sure. Oh, there's the button. I was like, where did we activate this at? Okay, here we go. This is gonna activate the seat. And we're just gonna ignore the Opila bird chilling over there. Go ahead and get on this. Take us across. Is this where it shows off under here too a little bit? Yeah. That's crazy how the Opila bird can just climb the wall like that though. Does it just have like claws like that, or? Yeah, so there's that. Don't want to do that just yet. There's gotta be like something around here. Oh wait, is that something in that corner right there? Do you see that too? I think... Oh yeah, there's something. Oh no. Oh, I thought he just jumped off the map. Okay. How do I get that though? Like, I'm not going crazy. There's something right there, right? Pretty sure. Can't that get lowered a little bit though? I think. I don't know. I'm gonna try and play around with a few things and see if I can find it or anything else. Okay guys, I actually just got like a... Oh, wow. Okay, I didn't even have what I was just about to say. I had like the little hit marker like with like that when I was trying to jump up and grab it. So yeah, I guess it was, what was it? Was it an egg? I think it was. Like a special, maybe it's a secret egg. Is the Opila bird even here to give it to her though? Oh, okay, yeah. I think we can jump, yeah. So let's go and see what that does. Cause this is the 7th egg. Oh yeah, is that the purple key card? Wow. That's awesome. Perfect. So now we can go over here and look at that. Oh, I'm excited what's in here. Let's see what kind of kindness Banban put in here for us. Oh, okay, so this is a room right at the beginning where we had to click the clock to speed up time or whatever. What's so special about in here though? I'm not really seeing anything. Oh, okay. Boarding pass. Weatherly Mason, Class E, Montreal, MTL, seat D3, 23rd of October 2016. DSTN, I have no idea what that is. Gate B13, boarding time, present at check-in. Okay, I don't know exactly what that means. Oh wait, you know what? Actually, I just realized there's a QR code. So I just pulled it up, and what it did is it was just a Google search that says it really hurts. It really hurts. And I can probably pop up a screenshot of it, and that'll put in the recording. But wow, I don't know what that's supposed to mean. What exactly really hurts? I don't know. That's kind of cool. There's nothing else like in the Google search. It just shows like there's some song lyrics in like a whole nother language. So I have no idea what that's from or anything. But so we got that. Is there anything else around here? Maybe we can use that boarding pass for one of the newer bands, and it maybe does something. I'm not sure. Doesn't look like we can interact with anything else. Okay. So let's try just beating the game as normal, and maybe something might be different. Or that's just like a cool little Easter egg thing that we found. That was a really hidden egg though. I can't even believe I found it like that. And we found that a lot quicker than I thought. Because usually Amanda or this or anything, I'm running around forever trying to find something. So can I jump? Oh yeah, okay. So Banban is red. Banbolina is white. This one. This guy is green. I think it's like Big Todd or something. I don't know. This the Opila bird is pink, obviously. You are the blue thing. The Ooga Booga Booga Ooga. And you're orange. Can't remember what this one's name is though. There we go. And then we get the key card. And yeah, so we got the Opila bird is on the way, so come on. It's still so creepy. Oh my god, she just got so close to us. I didn't even realize how close she got. Come on, come on, come on. Turn red, turn red. Activate button, activate. Yes? Okay, stay away. You're creeping on us so fast. Yeah, we hit that button. You're gonna fall down that pit, just like all those little kids you shoved down there. Oh, I did it too early, and I fell in the pit. I didn't even look where I jumped. What am I doing? Oh, wait. Wait, maybe if we die enough, we get enough letters. Because last time we got a U, that time we got an I. What does that mean? I don't know. I kind of want to test it out and see what letters we get. I'm going to back up a little bit because she got really close last time. Oh my god. This game is like so simple but so creepy at the same time. Okay, stay away, stay away. Don't be staring at me like that. And then the platform's gonna come down any second now. I wonder if she'll just kill us. Probably. Because we're running. Just noticed all of these are the colors of the other animatronics. And stupid bird. Turn all your eggs into scrambled eggs. How about that? You know, that Opila bird smelled like rotten eggs. I'm just running around here and I just got like this stench. Must have like sharded or something. But we got the red. Oh wait, is this white off now? Whoa. Okay. Is there anything in here? No? It's so dark in here, guys. We don't see the blood right there. Let's peek back into the original room. Maybe we can find something that updated. Oh, yes we did. For you. This is so cool. I can't believe I didn't look around a little more in the last one. Okay. It's just like a recording of... It almost sounds like the Minecraft Nether portal in the background with some kid. Oh no. What does that mean? Obviously all the kids were on some... Maybe the ball pit, that's the kids playing in the ball pit, and then the ball pit just, like, the floor broke and fell down or something. That's really cool. His name is Stinger Flynn, that's what it was. But no, that's awesome. I kind of like how they did that too. They leave it so like there's so many missing pieces throughout everything, and I really like that because it adds like this like you don't really know everything yet, and it just has you wondering and thinking, I wonder if we can get in there, because there's a door there and it just shows the power, but I didn't see anything else different. Let's just go ahead and here. I am happy we came back to this game though and checked everything out. Oh, that was another boarding pass thing. Did I even get that last time? I shouldn't have. I skipped through it because I thought I already had it, but... What did that do? So if that doesn't power that button, maybe the button's already powered, I think maybe that could have gotten this door back here. No. Is there anything like up on the boxes? Doesn't look like it. Nothing up there. I don't know. I feel like we can get into that door though. And there's like nothing else we can play from that. I don't see anything else on any of the tables. Okay, I guess we got everything. I wouldn't be surprised if I'm missing something, and there is a way to get into that room though. But yeah, let's just go ahead and play through the game as normal, I guess. Send Mr. Drone over on that button. There we go, I think. What? So, is this different? What did that do? Because now the bottom didn't come down. This still isn't powered. Am I forgetting something? And just being slow? There's nothing new in there. You can see where the 4 goes down. Oh, yeah, I'm dumb. It's this. There we go. And then we just wait, and we'll go down and see the big Joey dude or whatever. Maybe now, one last time, let's go peek at that door since we hit that button. Now. And what's his name? Jumbo Josh. I knew it started with like some J or something. Alrighty, let's go see Jumbo Josh. I can't wait to see more of the characters. This game is like, it's so cool. I do like Amanda a little more, just a little more. It's way creepier than this, but Where are you, Joshua? Can't remember what side he came up on. I think it was this one. Oh, those noises so creepy. Oh, who is this thing? Look at this like thumb. It's so weird looking. Oh my god. I didn't. Oh, that's cool. We could see like him grabbing the edge, peeling us back, or like when we fell over. I wonder if that means we're gonna start down there and he is down there with us. Yeah, I did get Garten of Banban 2, and Garten of Banban 3 comes out actually tomorrow. So I'll definitely have to check those out because this game is really cool. But I have a Salisbury steak waiting for me, along with a glass of Gold Peak sweet tea. Yeah, my friends are in the Xbox party waiting on me, so I will catch y'all in the next one. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you thought of this ending, and if you think we can somehow get into that door back there. And then also, in the comments, leave a prediction of what you might, like how you think the next Garten of Banban is going to start. I'm sure you probably maybe have seen it, because I am a little behind. These aren't brand new. But, yeah, thanks for watching, peeps. Please like and subscribe to become